In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Waze to the fastest route. Whether you're trying to make your commute a little shorter or simply want to save some time on a long journey, configuring Waze for the fastest route can make all the difference. So let's dive right in and get you on the fastest path possible with just a few simple steps. First things first, it's essential to ensure that you're using the latest version of Waze. Regular updates often bring new features and fixes that can enhance performance and accuracy. Head over to your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Waze, and make sure you have the most recent version installed. Keeping your app updated helps ensure you're getting the best directions Waze can provide. Once Waze is up to date, open the app. From the main screen, go to My Waze, which is your profile section. There, you'll see a settings icon that looks like a small gear. Tap on it to open the settings menu. From here, we want to navigate to the navigation section. This section contains all the routing preferences that Waze can use to tailor your journey. Inside navigation settings, you'll notice several toggles related to avoiding certain types of roads. To set Waze for the fastest route, you want to make sure none of these toggles are accidentally hindering fast options. For instance, toggles that avoid toll roads, ferries, or freeways should be turned off. By disabling these options, Waze can incorporate these potentially faster roads into your route planning. If you have toll passes or use HOV lanes, it's important to let Waze know. Go back to the settings and select the Toll and HOV Passes section. Here, you can add any passes you hold, allowing Waze to consider these lanes in its route calculations, often saving even more time during peak hours. With your settings finely tuned for speed, it's time to plan your trip. Enter your destination, but hold off on pressing Go right away. Instead, select the View Routes or Routes button. This will show you different pathways to your destination, along with their estimated times of arrival. Check these carefully and select the one with the shortest estimated time. That way, you're picking the quickest possible route known at that moment. As you begin your journey, Waze is your co-pilot, providing navigation updates. And if traffic patterns change during your drive, Waze can reroute you automatically. However, if you want to manually check for a faster path, simply tap on the bottom route card and then select routes to see alternate options. Following these steps will help ensure your drive is efficient and timely, so you get where you need to go with some time to spare. Thanks for tuning in and happy driving!